I will be more calm. I will be more calm. Calm does not come naturally. I will be more calm. Hey there, my name is Zed Howie, and this is Howie Grow a Brand. 1, 2, 3. If you like what you learned from this video, help us promote this channel by clicking the like button below and subscribing to our channel. Ready to go? Let's get into today's chat. You know, as you're learning more about me, some things may make sense, some things may be a bit unexpected, but I'll tell you that I genuinely appreciate and recognize the value of time. I'm probably sometimes too aware of time, and so genuinely the fact that you're taking whatever time right now to watch this on YouTube or listen to this on podcasts, no matter what you're doing, where you are, one, it is appreciated by me, it's appreciated by my team. And our motivation is that right there, is to inspire a million joys through multiple conversations on multiple topics with multiple people, some who may be more familiar than others, but we trust and intend that each moment you spend with us resonates and inspires joy either directly or indirectly in you and those around you. So today, calm. Not a word that typically people associate with Ed Howie, and I'm okay with that. But I will tell you also that we're weeks into the new year, and I don't know about you, but I'm kind of past the resolutions and into the realities. And I will tell you that my real intention this year remains steadfastly being more calm. It's interesting. I posted a video. Let's see, when was this? I posted a video on Instagram and Facebook and all those channels. I posted that video on January 5th, sharing that my word for 2021 is the word calm. And it may surprise you. And I'll tell you, it's really interesting. Just on my personal Instagram page, not even Howie Grow a Brand, on my personal page, I had 27 comments to that, and they were like hilarious because one I'll share, Kim, former companion of mine at HEB, coworker of mine, fellow spirit of mine at HEB. She was a Central Market. She shared that she took a professional presentation class a long time ago, courtesy of one of the family members who owns HEB, Stephen Butt. And the instructor told her that she needed to repeat the word measured to herself before jumping into a frenetic rant. Measured. That one small thing has cued to her not only a mental challenge, but a physical stutter that she had, especially when speaking publicly. Measured. And she spelled it out. M-E-A-S-U-R-E-D. Well, Kim, thank you for that illustration, reminder, or practice relative to how to be more calm is to be more measured. And among other comments and other thoughts, I will tell you that I'm going to bring a little Latin into our perspective. And the word is equanimitas. Equanimitas. It is a Latin word that means with even mind. With calmness of mind. Now, I'll tell you, my usual response to life is, yeah! And it is still, yeah. But it is a more measured, yeah. It is being more disciplined, more aware, more in the moment, that perhaps what I need to do is approach this moment, this opportunity, this frustration, this challenge with a deep breath and a more measured approach. So, you know, as entrepreneurs, it's really pretty easy not to be calm. It's pretty easy to be in the current challenge of, okay, half our team doesn't want to come back to the office, or our entire team doesn't want to come back to the office, or our entire team doesn't need to come back to the office. Or, oh my gosh, we've been serving those who are struggling for so many months and struggling ourselves. How do we balance it? Or it could be the fact that the reality is you're in QuickBooks and you're looking at the numbers, and once again, you're trying to figure out how to make it all add up.
Money itself isn't lost or made. It's simply transferred from one perception to another.
You know, the last 12, 13, 14 months have not been the most calm. They've been frenetic. They've been anything but measured. But I will tell you, as perhaps you have found, is that the more I have responded to the frantic with a fierceness of focus, the more powerful, the more effective, the more enjoyable it's been. So, business owner to business owner, business leader to business leader, hopefully family person to family person if you have a family, traditional family, non-traditional family, whatever. Caretaker for those that you care for, friend for those who you befriend. That I found as much as we need to respond to life with energy and passion, we also need to give ourselves the measured gift of calm. So, sounds great. Sounds delightful. Let's do a little kumbaya. Let me tell you a couple of ways that I am striving, intending, changing my behavior to be a little more calm. I found that the earlier I am, the calmer I am. I'm trying, I hate that phrase, but it's reality because it's not natural to me. I'm working on being more diligent at being 2 to 3 minutes early versus 2 to 3 minutes late. Because in the freneticness of trying to do everything I can, oftentimes I'm finishing something as I start another thing. Sound like a couple of Zoom calls you've been on? So I'm trying to give myself a little more space in between things to be early versus rushing in. So be early. Second is singular task. In this moment right now, I'm visiting with you one-on-one. There's a lot of stuff going on. There's a lot of emails. There's a lot of Zoom calls. There's a lot of stuff. But right now, it's just you and me. And I'm trying to do that in almost every moment of my life. I call it unitask versus multitask. One task versus all task. The next task, the next task. And then the last thing I'm going to share with you right now is that a practice that I learned 14 and a half years ago that has served me fully, and those that I know that lean into that serve them fully. And that is, I don't have to figure out all the right next things to do. I have to figure out the next right thing. And the next right thing for me to do right now is to say that with a deep breath and a heart full of gratitude, I wish for you and for me that the next moments, 5, 10, 15 minutes, next 20 minutes, that we'll each take a little more time to intentionally take a deep breath, figure out what's the next thing we need to focus on, figure out how we can get there just a little earlier, and just figure out the next right thing. I wish for you calm, and I always wish for you joy. Hey, I really hope this helps and inspires your day. If any of this works on your business this week, I'd love to hear about it in the comments, or hey, just message me. Can't wait to see what we chat about next time on How We Grow a Brand. We'll see you soon.